Hi guys, so this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my blow dry. So the last one I am gonna be blow drying my hair, and it's gonna be I'm gonna be using the Revlon, this Revlon Pro Collections one-step hair dryer and styler. I've not used it before, so I did do an unboxing video about it, so now I'm getting the chance to actually use it, and this is what it looks. So this is the brush, and this the bottom here, yeah, and then it has the right here the cool, so the off, okay, the off, the cool, and the low. I'm trying to see if you guys can see that. Do my whole head. Let's see how this goes. So I'm starting yeah, it's starting right now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna spray my Tresemme Thermal Creations heat tamer on the section, and I'm starting with this section here. So I'm just gonna spray it, but I'm gonna unbraid it first because I just detangled it and all that stuff. Let's see how these go. Do you guys see how my hair just bounced back? What is that? Alright, get ready to be amused with the noise. So I'm gonna use the low setting. 2 minutes just to do one side. Hell, I'm just a slow poke today. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm going to move to this section. Guys, 6 minutes. It's not bad, it's not bad. Even though I'm slow. So I had to pause because I want to like take my time and go through it. So this is this section. It's still a bit damp, so I'm gonna just go over it one more time because I really want a nice blow. Like, I don't want any dampness. Hot. This thing gets hot really quick, and yeah, and that's just on the low setting. So I'm gonna move quickly since it looked like we're gonna be a slow turtle today. And then I'm just gonna go do this section here. Bring this one here, do this section here. This needs to be snipped. Oh. All right. Is this my hair? Hell. Okay, so I would say, based on me taking my time, it probably took me like, it took me less than 20 minutes for sure. I'll show you guys. I was taking my time. I stopped, then I paused, then I stopped, then I paused, and this is it. Like, running my fingers through. Like, it's not even like that hard to run my fingers through. Hey, okay, you guys, my hands are like raggedy right now. Is that? So I don't know, I have to get a trim, and I'm not about to trim my hair by myself, like, so I have to like figure out when I'm gonna go get a trim. But like, this is it. Revlon, what do I want to say about this? Revlon, there's so many reviews, and obviously now I see why there's so many reviews about this. It gets the job done, like if you just want like a quick blow dry, which is like what I pretty much got it for, because I have another blow dryer, and honestly I've had that blow dryer for a few years now and I hardly use it because I don't like to blow dry my hair, like I said. But this, since I got it, it's like, okay, let's blow dry, just to kind of have that stretch look. And I will be using this more often. Yeah, I'll be using it more often. I think it's good. The only issue is the hotness. It gets hot really quick. I'm just running my fingers through to make sure my roots are fully dry. This is my hair. Like, this is what the blow dry did. I'm gonna go over with comb. So the it took me 15 minutes according to Apple clock stopwatch. 15 minutes. It could have taken me, I thought it was gonna take me a bit longer, but then again I paused and stopped, so it took me 15 minutes, so 30 minutes, like even like less than 20 minutes, because obviously you guys see that it took me 15 minutes to do my hair, and compared to a regular other blow dryer, I'd probably be crying and be like, okay, I can't do this anymore. But this is it. We're friends. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video.